Hello everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use the widget library. First, let's select a new library. You can see the library has been loaded. If you want to select multiple libraries, you can choose all libraries. Then search for button. You can see buttons from multiple libraries are listed here. If you have multiple libraries, you can do it like this. Returning to the default library, you can see a library with a cloud icon on the right, which is a library uploaded to the Axure cloud. We select it, then choose the Overflow button and select Remove Library. This will remove it from the list. To edit a library, select Edit Library. The folders in the Widgets pane correspond to the categories of widgets. Pages correspond to widgets. Why just edit the elements on the canvas? Close the edited file. Let's choose another library. If I want to upload it to the Axure cloud, click the Share button in the upper right corner. Then select the path to publish it in the Axure cloud. Click the Publish button, and that's it. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, give me a like, and share with others. Thank you.